Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add Favicon to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your website, and if the website is not showing any Favicon, so you would have to add it. So for that, open your Shopify dashboard and then click on the online store button from the left menu bar. After that, click on the themes button. After going to the specific theme, click on the customize button. And after clicking customize, the theme settings will open. So this is a page for doing theme settings. So in that, locate the heading Favicon, as we can see here. Now you have to select an image. You can create your own logo, or you can use an existing free one. Now you have to upload the logo that you want to put as a favicon, and then click on the save button after uploading it. So after saving it, you have to refresh your website, you have to refresh your store, and here you can see the favicon on your website page that you wanted to add. So that's how you can add a favicon to your Shopify store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.